Friends, hello, welcome, my friends on my channel, and wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you something about a great software whose name is DFY 3.0. Its name is done for you Suite 3.0 software. It's a powerful software that will get you a laser targeted by traffic on your website within 48 hours or less for sure. So friends, this is a tool that will help you to drive traffic and get a profit using those traffic if one of those visitors will buy something from your site or using link described in your video. So, friends, uh, this is means the author name of this video. His name is Joshua uh, Chamora. Like here, it's mentioned, and this is the pic of this author. And friend, this is he is a genuine and renowned author who has made a lot of software prior to this, and many of customers are getting a great benefit using his software. So, friend, what this software will do, friends, this software will just help you to just get ranking on Google, and you will get laser targeted traffic on your site. And you just don't need to submit any URL. You just don't need to download any software, or just don't need any captchas or proxies uh, while using this software. And just you don't need any prior social account while using this software. All integrations of social accounts are ready to use with this software. You just need to plug in your social account details with it. And friends, it's an artificial intelligence based software, means it will give you a full uh, automated based software, and you just don't need to use any third party uh, software to use the same, means everything you will get using this software itself. And friend, like if I uh, scroll down, you will see all information of this software, and these all things you will get. And this is the dashboard of the software, like uh, uh, how you have to use its dashboard. All sorts are mentioned here. And friends, you can see there's this will software will literally help you to gain ranking on Google just within 23 minutes after using this software. And friends, means it's, you can see like uh, this particular person uh, rank his videos, and you just get a ranking on number one page of the Google account. And friend, these are real screenshots of the clients who are using this software. Means one of clients has made over $11,184 as a profit using ClickBank. It means that this user or client may be selling ClickBank products, and he's getting great results using this software. So, friends, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Means you just have to plug in this software and just need to wait, or just you need to keep try. Like you can see in this uh, snapshot from one of the customers. Like on first day he earned $0. On second day he earned $0. On third day he's earning. It gradually started increasing from $2, and later he's making 18, 19, $11. So friends, this just depend on how much effort you put in this software, and how much you learn from this software. All information will be provided within this software once you buy this software. And yeah, like you can see, just this is a glimpse of this software. Like this is the dashboard of this software, and this is the real author of this software who has created this software. So these all stuff comes you will get when you buy this product, and you just need to navigate all these links, and you will just get used to it, like how it works for you. So friends, this is all from my side, and yeah, like I said, you just don't need anything at all. After you use the software, no training, no social account, no content part you need to do. All thing is ready to use by using this software. No third-party proxies or captchas are needed, and you merely need a URL and keywords. The URL could be the website of yours, or any video URL that you want to promote, and get targeted traffic on it. Friends, this is all it about the software. So, if you do have any query or doubt regarding the software, you can just feel free to ask me. I will drop my email and just link to my Instagram account below this video. And friends, if you purchase using my link, you just need to send a screenshot of the same to my email or Instagram account, and for sure I will send you a welcome or a bonus as a gift for this new year for you all from my side. And I hope you will love that gift. And and this is all about this software, friends. So yeah, just drop me email, or just do comment below if you do have any queries or any questions regarding the same, or you want to know means how to use this software, and what we need to do, what are the requirements before using this software. So this is all from my side, friends. So I just wish you all good luck, and may God bless you with a lot of courage, and you will get a lot of profit, friends, if you are promoting any of your business. So I will highly encourage you all to just to give it a try to this software, and just see results yourself. Uh, might be it will take some time, but for sure, friends, you will get desired uh, it, results using this software. So, friends, thank you, and God bless you all.